Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the SKIDROW missing or corrupt error on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. If you are facing the SKIDROW missing or corrupt error, the first thing to try is to repair or install the Microsoft C Redistributable package. To do this, open your preferred web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, and search for Microsoft C Redistributable. Navigate to the official download page. Scroll down the page until you find the x64 version and click on the download button. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and click on Open. You will then see an option to repair or install the package. Select the appropriate option and follow the on-screen instructions. Another effective solution for this error is to run a system file checker scan. To initiate this process, open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will begin scanning your system files for corruption and will attempt to repair any issues it finds. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.